So consider this problem statement. So if sin x plus sin x squared is equal to 1, so in that case, and again x is in first quadrant, and this is the given expression which we need to resolve. Now, first of all, we will deal with this part. So some important information we can extract out of this, right? So here I'll be writing this, and then from this one we can say that sin x will be equal to 1 minus sin x squared, and we know this identity that this is nothing but this will be equal to cos x squared, and from this we can write, if I divide cos x on both the side, so for this we can write tan x will be equal to cosine of x. Now I have extracted this important piece of information because I'll be using this in order to resolve this one. So that's the basic idea here. Now here, so I'll take this expression and solve it, right? So I'll just adjust the font size so that things are, so that this comes in the within the range and it does not goes out of the sheet. Now here, this from this expression we can observe here carefully that we have cos x power 12 and we have this tan x power 12. Now if you observe, instead of this tan x power 12 we can replace this tan x with cosine x, right? So what I will do, this tan I'll replace with cosine. Why? Because here we have obtained that tan x is equal to cos x. So I hope this part is clear, right? Similarly, instead of this tan x power 10 we can write again cos. Similarly, for this power 8 we can write again cosine, and for the last one as well we can write here, we can write this one as cosine. So everything got converted to cos just because we have extracted this piece of information. Now in this step, this will be written as 2 times cos x power 12 plus, now if you observe here, this is 3 times, so here already this will be 2 times, right? So if I resolve this part, so this will be 2 times cos x power 10 and this will be 2 times cos x power 8. So this will be 3 times 2, that is 6. 6 times cos x power 10 plus the other one can be written as 6 times cos x power 8. And again I can just keep this 6 as a common factor, so I will remove this 6 from here. So I hope this part is clear, right? Now next, for this one I can write 2 times cos x power 6. So the expression got resolved to this stage. Now on this part, I'll try to resolve this one as well. So this power 12 can be written as cos x squared, and on this I can take the power of 10. Similarly for this one here I'll write power 2, and on this I'll raise the power by 5. And for this power 8 I'll write cos square x, and on the power of this I'll mention 4. Why? Because we know this, that cos square x is equal to sin x, that's why. So here square, and on the power of this I'll be writing 3. Now wherever the occurrence of cos square x is there, I'll replace this with sin x. From where? From this given part, right? Now copy this, and in the next step, wherever cos x square is there, I'll replace all of this by sin x. This one I'll replace it by sin. Again for this one, sin x power 4. This one will be sin x cubed, right? Once it is done, now we can observe this part. So here this power 10 is written wrong actually, because if this is 12, this will be 6 actually. Okay, so let me just correct it. Definitely in comment someone will definitely point me out later at a later point of time, but anyways, so I've corrected it here, right? Now in this part I can take 2 as the common factor. and here I can write sine x power 6, sine x power 6 plus 3 times 3 times sine x power 5 plus 3 times sine x power 4, and then plus this will be sine x whole cubed, right? Sine x cube. So here cube will be there, right? Now this part is done. Now from this we can observe that this sine x cube is something which is again common. So I will take this one. I'll factor that. I'll factor this sine cube x as well. Now in this part, I'll take sine cube x as the common factor. So let me just remove all this and let me write all of this clearly, right? So here this will be sine x cube as it is for this power 6, and for this one this will be 3, and here this will be sine x squared plus 3 times sine x plus 1, right? And if you observe this one, if you observe this quantity, this is clearly visible as sine x plus 1 whole cubed. So this one is, here we have a cube plus b cube, 3ab square and 3a square b, right? So that format is available here. Now, so I'll proceed this and compress this equation now, this expression, sorry. Now here, this will be written as sine x plus 1 whole cubed, right? Now, this, instead of the sine cube x, how we can resolve this further? So if you observe this sine x, right? So this entire I can take again as common. So what I can do in this part, this will be written sine x as it is, and this term I can take power, I can take the power at this place, right? Now sine x plus sine x square is equal to 1, right? So if you observe, this is clearly in the next step I will be writing it. This is sine square x, right? And this one is sine x. On the other side we have this as sine x. I'll balance the parenthesis here, and this is nothing but in the original, in this statement it is given this one as 1. So finally 2 times 1, so 2 times 1 cube, that is again 1, and this results in 2. So finally, using this particular property, when we resolve this one, we got the answer is 2. So for this one, 2 is the correct answer.